and welcome to Rainforest Run, starring me, Crystal. Hey folks, that is not fresh. Animals like this live in the wild. They're wild! I keep finding this leopard. It's freaking me out big time. Look, this is a dragonfly. They live in the wild. It's been hurt. This is an animal's watering hole. I do not want to drink this water. Look, it's poison ivy. Gross. Look what I found. It's a mushroom. I must wash my hands after this because it's poisonous and stinky. Look, animal droppings. It's stinky. This is a forest floor. This is the tallest tree ever. This is a poisonous mushroom. Unfortunately, I cannot eat it. Look what I found. Bamboo with animal droppings on it. Gross! Snakes are always after me. Get away! I need help. I caught one of the snakes. Well, that's all we have time for today. So, see you. Oh, stupid snake! Oh, my face! Rainforest Run, I'm running, pouring down with rain. Rainforest Run, I can't sing. Rainforest Run, snakes are always after me. Rainforest Run, the leopard's always after me. Rainforest Run.